In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung S23 Ultra phone to TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily mirror the screen of your Samsung S23 Ultra onto a TV. You will be able to do this as long as the TV that you are trying to connect to has smart capabilities. So if it is a more modern smart TV, you will be able to get this done without any issues. Samsung has a native feature called Smart View. So if you swipe down from the top of your Samsung S23 Ultra or any other device, you will be able to find Smart View. Smart View allows you to mirror the screen of your Samsung device wirelessly onto any device nearby, as long as it is able to detect and use this phone as the source. So choose Smart View from the options, and as long as your TV and the S23 Ultra are on the same Wi-Fi network, it is going to appear here. So you will see your Smart TV appear over here, and then you can choose it from the list. Once you select your Smart TV, screen mirroring will begin, and you can go into these settings at any time. You can pause it or stop at all, and when you open any application, YouTube, Netflix, HBO Max, whatever, the screen will still be cast. You can use it to share photos, to watch videos together, to use any application, and so on. And this feature is going to be available on most modern Samsung devices, including the S23 Ultra, of course. So all that you have to do is look for Smart View. If you don't see your TV on the list, then ensure that the TV and the S23 Ultra are on the same Wi-Fi network. Since this will be done wirelessly, it is important to make sure that both devices are able to detect each other. So as long as you connect them to the same Wi-Fi network, they will be able to detect them without you having to do any sort of manual connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S23 Ultra phone to TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.